Hello everyone, today I want to share a quick leather unboxing featuring a new color that Hermes launched this year. The box came packaged with the limited edition 2024 ribbon. I picked up the Calvi card holder in the new shade M7 Rose Darling. This pink is lighter than Rose Sakura and brighter than Mauve Pale. The Calvi is a bifold style card holder similar to the Hermes Bearn. It has a slimmer profile when both card holders are empty, and it is easier to open the snap closure compared to undoing the strap on the Bearn. The lack of exterior hardware on the Calvi reduces the risk of damaging the interior lining of my bags. In terms of capacity, I can fit 3 cards on each side without adding bulk to the Calvi. I can build to 6 cards on each side and still have room to spare. The Calvi is a more minimal design than the Bearn, and that is reflected in the price. In the same leather, at retail prices, I could buy 4 Calvis for the price of 1 Bearn card holder. This is my only Calvi card holder, and I am looking forward to using it. Hermes also offers the Calvi Duo that features a change pocket on one side. Similar functionality is offered in the mini Bearn wallet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.